Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My Miss Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna open and see what's inside a new device that I just got from a couple of weeks ago, and I'm ready to start using it. So it's showing you and unboxing the device to see together what's inside and how it's gonna work, and just an intro for upcoming reviews for Braun Silk Expert Pro 3. I just got this baby. I am so excited to try this one. I got it from a couple of weeks ago, and I was growing my body hair because I usually use the Braun IPL 5. I had it for many years. I'm gonna do a full review about this device, the Braun IPL 5. It's an amazing device, but I'm gonna talk about everything about it because I have it from 5 years or something and I still use it. So I just use it from months ago, 1 month ago, and I'm trying to grow my body hair back because I need them to grow back, because to use this device we need a clean shave. So I need to shave all the hair where I'm gonna use this device on. So I need my body hair to grow back so I can shave them. So that's why I'm still waiting for my full body hair to become a really nice long one, so I can be sure that everything is ready to be shaved and use this device on. So let's open this device and see what's inside. I'm so excited to see that with you, so I waited to open it with you. So let's get started. So here we go. So this is the packaging, how it looks like. It's really big one, and there is all the information that you need to know about it. And here we can use it on the face and the body as well. And here there is a chart for the degree, or the body color, the skin color, and the hair color, and who should we use this and who shouldn't, because it's not for all skin types or skin colors or hair colors. So you need to be sure that you are in the category that you are this one will be beneficial for you. It will be useful for you. So for me, I have a fair skin, but kind of a brown hair. So from brown to black, but mostly brown because I have a brown hair. So I am in the category of I can use this device. That's why I got it. So let's go inside and see what's inside this bag. Okay, let's open it. So, okay, here we go. So this is the device. As you can see, it's a little bit big. It's just like the IPL 5 or something, but it's kind of bigger one. But it looks like this. So yeah, let me take it off and take this out. Okay, I got it out. It's just out here. Okay, it's in this little plastic thing, and this is a charger, I guess. It's a really big one, but this is the charger of this device, and there's a small socket here for another piece. Okay, let me see. Okay, here we go. I have two different things. Okay, I'm gonna use this one because that's what the electricity socket here in Egypt. So I'm gonna use this one, but there is another one which is the 3-block thing. Okay, so I have two different electricity wire or something, and inside there is this Gillette Venus. Okay, it's a shaving, it's a razor, so I can use it for the first time, having this clean shave all over my body before using the device on. And there is a specific bag, small bag here, and we have the this booklet, right? Yeah, it's a small booklet, have everything, how to use it and everything. Of course, I need to read all of these information inside before I use this one, but I'm gonna talk like in general what I know about this device. And of course, in the next review or the next videos about this Silk Expert Pro 3, I'm gonna talk more like talking about more info after I read this booklet and use it on my body and how I felt and is it effective or not. But anyway, these are the stuff inside. I don't have anything else. Okay, so I'm gonna put everything back here. So it has just gonna just take this out for showing you how it look. So okay, I saw another video that was a smaller piece with from this part, like a smaller cap, but I don't have it here. So I think this is the edition that we have here in Egypt. We have only one cap. Still gonna read the booklet to be sure, but this is what I have inside. It was completely locked. Like, so it's the first opening, so that's it for inside the packaging. Okay, now talking about the information that I already know from watching other videos and what I searched online. So first thing, you need to be in the category of you can use this device. As I told you, there's a chart outside. It's already online. You can search for your skin color and your hair color and see if you can use this device, will be effective for you or not. For me, as you can see, I am a fair skin with brown hair. My hair is brown, so I have a brown body hair. So I am in the category that I can use this device and it will be effective for me. That's why I got it. Second thing, that when you use this device, we need to have a clean shave. You need to shave all over your body or the part that you're going to use this device on. For example, your armpit or your bikini area or your legs. You need to clean shave for the first time you ever use this one. Don't use it later. Before using this device, you need to have a clean shave. That's why we have a razor inside to have this. So for me, I had I was depilating my hair, my body hair all over it, so from like a month ago. So that's why I'm waiting for my hair to grow so I can shave it and reuse and use this device probably. So this is a laser or IPL device. So it's just like a flashlight. I'm not gonna use it right now because I need to try it. All the information about using it is just like information. I didn't use it by myself. Like, it's the first time I open this device with you right now, so I need to use it personally before I tell you how to use it in the right way. So it's just like a flashlight like on your skin. That's how it works. It shouldn't be painful. That's what I'm gonna find out. So in the next videos, like the reviews video about this device, of course, would be like more information and how to use it and if it's painful or not and all these stuff that you think about. So for using, you need to use this one like in routine. So you need to use it once per week for 12 weeks straight, and then you can use it once per month, and then you can continue doing this, or you can just see if your hair is like gone and you don't have a lot of hair like you used to. After a couple of months, you can stop using this device and reuse it again after a while if you feel that you need to reuse it again. But the most important part, you need to use it once a week for 12 weeks straight. Once a week for 12 weeks straight. If you hear any noise, like there's a door, like there's knocking the door, it's my cat, because if I open the door, he will go everywhere and I will not be able to record this video for you. That's why he's very angry. He wanna come out, but I need to record this video, so if you hear him. So this device had like specific pulses, so try your best to not waste any pulse, because you know this device is kind of expensive. I don't want to use your pulse, so you need to know how to use it probably the right way, and you need to know all the information that you can know before using this device, because this one it has like about like 300 300,000. I can, yeah, it's 300,000 pulses. So it's right here. So yeah, sounds like a lot of pulses, but you don't want to waste any of them. So you need to know everything you need to know before using this device. Yeah. So I guess this is it. All the things, all the information that I already know, I need to try by myself, and I'm gonna come back to you in upcoming videos to tell you my reviews, how I feel, if it's painful, and if there is any question in your mind you wanna know about this device, please let me know in the comment section down below. I will add them to the next upcoming videos to answer this question after I use this device. So yeah, this is for this video. I really hope you like it, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All these links will be in the description box down below, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel, and I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.
It's no good for my lungs. I do this every season. I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I